Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best baking steel is probably one of the most transformative tools you can add to your kitchen if you're serious about baking. It's a game changer for anyone looking to elevate their pizza, bread, and pastries. This video will dive deep into the world of baking steel, exploring its benefits, how to use it effectively, and why it's a must-have for home bakers who want professional quality results. Number 5. Hans Grill Pizza Steel Pro, Bake Pizza and More. This set includes a durable pizza steel and a beechwood peel. Months of testing ensure this set can handle high temperatures. It's designed for versatility and long-lasting use. The 13 by 13 inch steel fits most ovens and BBQs. This allows you to make delicious pizza at home. It's perfect for creating amazing meals. This steel transforms your homemade pizza. It gives you a cheesy, crusty pizza, just like from an Italian pizzeria. You will love the results. The steel's smooth surface makes cleaning simple. Food residue wipes away easily with water. There's no need for soap or detergents. The 1/4-inch thickness provides the perfect balance. It heats up quickly and crisps the pizza base perfectly. You can also use it for sourdough bread. If you're not satisfied, contact us. You'll get a response from a real person. We are committed to providing the best service possible. What we like. This baking steel ensures your pizza base cooks evenly, giving you that perfect crispy crust. The easy-to-clean surface means less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meal. If you're looking for a pizza steel that delivers pizzeria-quality results with minimal effort, this is the one for you. What people say. The pizza was evenly cooked, and the bottom was nice and crispy. Heated the oven the stone inside to 500 degrees. It took about 50 minutes for the stone to get to 500 degrees, then turned the broiler on high, took the stone another 6 minutes to get up to 600 degrees. We do a lot of baking and love to cook our own pizzas, and found the pizza stone works great for both. Number 4. THERMICHEF 14x20 Pizza Steel Plate. This pizza steel plate is proudly made in the USA. It's an extra-large size, perfect for creating delicious pizzas at home. Each plate is carefully laser-cut from a single piece of metal. This ensures extreme durability and excellent heat conductivity for even cooking. Enjoy restaurant-style pizzas with the taste of a traditional brick oven. This product makes it easy for busy families to create amazing meals. The ultra-conductive steel material outshines even the best ceramic stones. It allows you to create brick oven-quality pizzas in your home oven. Select the thickness that fits your needs. The standard thickness is great for low-volume use, while the deluxe offers extra heat storage for high-volume cooking. This steel plate provides extremely fast cooking times. You'll achieve restaurant-quality texture and flavor thanks to its high heat transfer. What we like. Crafted in the USA, this pizza steel offers extremely fast cooking times, giving you restaurant-quality texture and flavor. You can choose the thickness that fits your needs. If you are a busy family craving delicious, brick oven-style pizzas, this steel is designed for you. What people say. Expect pizza and flatbreads to puff up nicely and really crisp up the crust. Works just perfectly, very easy to clean. I just scraped with a pizza peel and it looks like new, also very easy to use. Since I always used pizza screens and made 18-inch NYC pizzas, I must admit that the crust this steel has given me on my very first try was mind-blowing, just like a New York pizzeria, so I can live with 16-inch pizzas. This pizza steel has been nothing short of fantastic. I'm cooking 16-inch pies weekly and getting that awesome black leoparding on the bottom of the crust. Number 3. Steel Pizza Stone for Oven 14x14. Introducing the ultimate pizza-making tool. This solid steel plate is designed to help you create pizzeria-style crusts right at home. It's a game-changer for pizza lovers. This pizza steel heats up faster than ceramic stones. It retains and radiates heat, giving you a crispy and delicious crust. You'll get perfect results every time. Designed to fit most ovens, it's easy to use. Slide it onto your oven rack or grill. It's also ideal for baking rustic breads, bringing wood-fired oven performance to your kitchen. The surface is low friction and non-stick, making it easy to slide and turn your pizza. The design includes a finger hole for easy handling. This makes the process simple. It comes pre-seasoned and is easy to clean. A simple wipe with a damp towel or scraper is all it takes. This makes maintenance a breeze. What we like. This pizza stone heats up faster than ceramic, giving you perfectly cooked pizzas in less time. Its low-friction surface allows you to slide and turn your pizza effortlessly. If you like making pizza and bread, this versatile steel will be your new favorite kitchen tool. What people say. This works exceptionally well compared to a pizza stone. It makes the crispiest, most delicious crust. Because it's metal, it conducts heat to the underside of the pizza well and allows better browning than my stone did. Number 2. NerdChef Steel Stone, Pro Pizza Baking Stone. This is the ultimate pizza baking stone. It's designed to bring professional-level pizza baking to your home kitchen. It's made in the USA. The stone has 20x higher conductivity than ceramic stones. This means it can transfer heat to your pizza crust much more efficiently, creating a perfect bake. It has twice the heat capacity, allowing you to achieve the results of a 1000 degrees Fahrenheit oven in your home oven. This results in faster cook times and better crusts. This stone helps create gorgeous crusts and better blistering on your pizzas. You'll be amazed at the difference it makes. The life hacker calls it the ultimate pizza stone. The surface is textured, sanded smooth, and seasoned with flaxseed oil. This ensures your pizzas slide off easily. Made of solid steel, it's unbreakable and guaranteed for life. It's a heavy-duty stone built to last. What we like. With 20x higher conductivity than ceramic, this steel stone delivers incredible results, creating gorgeous crusts and faster cook times. It's also guaranteed for life, so you know it's built to last. If you are looking for the ultimate pizza stone that will transform your home oven into a high-performance machine, you should consider this. What people say. I've never made pizza with a better crust. It makes a great griddle for an induction range top. The bottoms and the top of both crust and bread cooked at an even rate. Number 1. Baking Steel Original Pizza Stone, 14x16x14. This is the original baking steel, made from ultraconductive steel. It delivers perfect, evenly baked crusts. We are proud to have invented it. Experience quicker, perfect bakes with this unbreakable baking steel. It cooks 20 times faster than traditional stones. You'll enjoy superior performance and durability. Inspired by modernist cuisine, this brings professional-grade results to your kitchen. Elevate your baking with its cutting-edge design and exceptional performance. This baking steel excels as a stovetop griddle, induction plate, and even a cold plate when frozen. Its multifunctional design makes it a valuable addition to any kitchen. Measuring 14 by 16 by 14 and weighing 16 pounds, it provides ample cooking space and durability. Proudly manufactured in the USA, it ensures high-quality craftsmanship. It's the perfect gift for culinary lovers. What we like. Made from ultraconductive steel, this original baking steel delivers perfect, evenly baked crusts. It cooks 20 times faster than traditional stones, ensuring superior performance and durability. If you like a versatile tool that can be used as a stovetop griddle or even a cold plate, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Cooks pizza evenly as promised. Perfect pizza for a home oven. Great surface for baking bread. For pizza, the baking steel was the difference between limp in the middle crust and uniformly crisp crust. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.